Because in no other time in history is a person able to start a business with virtually no capital at all. It was the best of times. It was the worst of times. And certainly we can appreciate the worst of times over the past 18 months.
Take a look at the lines there last week. I mean, let this sink in. The food bank serves 8 semi-truckloads of food to people in need every day.
At a food pantry in Queens, where the lines to get free food were half a mile long. Half a mile.
Nationwide, 54 million Americans don't have access to sufficient food.
We can certainly appreciate the worst of times. But why, at the same time, has it been the best of times? Because in no other time in history is a person able to start a business with virtually no capital at all. Oftentimes with zero capital, no money. There's no other time in history where technology and advancements have given us the opportunity to start a business with virtually nothing. And to prove it, I'm going to attempt to start a business with virtually no money. The easiest way to start a business with no capital is to have a virtual product or service. Because of course, if you have a physical product or service, likelihood is that you're going to have to invest a little capital. The only business that I know of that you can start off with zero capital and you have a physical, tangible product is an eBay business. You can, or reselling more appropriately, you can take items in your house, which you already have, and resell them, and the profits that you make from that business will get you going to buy more things, and so on and so on. But in our case, what we're going to do is start a business with a virtual product or service. Now, for me personally, this is something that applies to everyone individually. You have to pick and choose what you think is going to work for you if you're going to attempt a challenge like this. But for me personally, I like music and I play around with beats and things of that nature. So I'm going to attempt to start a business with no capital selling beats. In order to do this, there are a few things that we have to have. We have to have the actual product. In my case, that would be the music. We have to have a website. We have to have hosting, which is going to be tricky because hosting usually costs money, but I will attempt to find hosting at the lowest cost possible and maybe even zero if we can find it. So website, hosting, and for marketing, we are going to use Instagram and Facebook and possibly SoundCloud. So with those free 3 options and our other free things, we will launch our business and we will see where it takes us.